Coding for Kids. The idea of this channel is to introduce coding to kids at early stage. In this video, we are going to see Make a Flappy Game. By playing this game, kids will get an understanding of how coding blocks work. Now let's play puzzle 1 to 5 in this video. Okay guys, at first open a new Chrome browser and type Hour of Code. In this, click the first link. In this page, you're going to change the languages to whatever you want. I'm changing it to English. Here in For Students, click Explore Activities. Here now I'm going to play the game Make a Flappy Game. Click this and give Start. This is just an intro video for this Flappy game. If you want, you can watch this or just skip the video. This is puzzle 1 and the instructions given is attach a block to the when click block, then press run. Click or tap the screen to move Flappy to the target. If you see in the left side, this bird is the Flappy and this is the target and Flappy has to reach the target. This is puzzle 1. For this, first I'm attaching the Flappy block here and then I'm placing this block over here. This is nothing but when Flappy is moving, it will give a wing sound. If you want, you can change the sound to whatever you want. Now I'm clicking the run button and if you click the screen, if you go on clicking, you will see Flappy reaching the target. Puzzle 1 is completed. Click continue to go to the next puzzle. This is puzzle 2. Here the instructions given is, now we have added some ground. Attach a block to the when hit the ground block. Your code needs to end game when Flappy crashes. In the previous puzzle, if you see, the target was up and now the target is placed in the ground. So here in the workspace, if you see, when hit the ground block is given. When Flappy hits the ground, the game should be over. So I'm placing the end game block over here. And I'm placing the sound block here. Now if I click the run button, you will see Flappy falling in the ground and the game will be over. That's it guys. Puzzle 2 is completed. Click continue. This is puzzle 3. The instructions given is, the when run block allows you to run code when your game starts. Try setting the level speed and flapping to the target. Now if you see here, already the Flappy block is placed over here. So when your game is running, you are going to set the level speed. So I am placing this set speed block here and you can choose whatever you want. I am choosing normal. So if I click the run button, you can see Flappy moving in a normal speed to reach the target. That's it guys. Puzzle 3 is completed. Click continue to go to the next puzzle. This is puzzle 4 and the instructions given is, Flappy will fly through obstacles unless you write code to make him crash. Attach a block to the when hit an obstacle block. Your code needs to end game when Flappy crashes into the first set of pipes. See in the workspace, already the speed block and our Flappy block is placed over here. And they have given a new block which is when hit an obstacle. The instructions given is, when the Flappy hits an obstacle, your game should end. So I am placing this endgame block over here and placing this sound block over here. And if I click the run button, you will see Flappy crashing the first pipe to end the game. Yeah, that's it guys. Puzzle 4 is completed. Now click continue to go to the next puzzle. This is puzzle 5 and the instructions given is let's add a scoreboard and count points when Flappy makes it past obstacles. Add to the when pass an obstacle block and then score a point by flying Flappy through the first set of pipes. Yeah, in the previous puzzle if you see, when Flappy hits the pipe, your game will be over. Now they have said that your Flappy should cross the pipe and you should introduce a scoreboard there. So I am placing a point block in when pass obstacle. And already the speed block is given and Flappy is placed. So I'm placing the sound block over here. So now if you click the run button, you will see Flappy crossing the first pipe and the score will be 1. Yeah, that's it guys. Puzzle 5 is completed. Now I have completed puzzle 1 to 5 in this video. See you all in another video. Thanks for watching.